Okay, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of a one-piece 1L, a two-piece 1L, 1LL, and a 1LLL. I'm going to start out with a one-piece 1L and work my way up. Single piece, 1L. Two piece, 1L. Single piece, 2L. Sweet. Single piece, 3L. Comes the tugboat. Here's the other 3L. There you have it. Different tones of the L bells. Woohoo! Okay, that's enough for that for today, so I don't get the neighbors thinking that the ship ran out of the canal and it's coming up the street. So, everybody, hope you enjoy. Next thing coming up with these horns is going to be a KB3. Bells 1L, 2L, and 3L. See ya. God bless.